It's interesting to note the topping formation in the Nasdaq. It looks like a blow-off top to me, parabolic move. These things can go on forever. We're not calling a top here, but encourage you to be nimble in your trading. Take a look at this Nasdaq rally. Take a look at the market internals. This market just continues to rally and rally and rally every day. And so our strategies have been mainly long and profiting from it. But if this market reverses, we have strategies that can get short. There'll be some give back on the longs, and then as we get short, but that's part of short-term trading. Look at the advanced decline line. Here is Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday it was back up and then rolled over. Thursday it was up and then kind of went sideways but down. Here's the zero line. Here's the zero line, the advanced decline line. The broader market now, I realize the Nasdaq 100 is 100 tech stocks that have been on fire, so doesn't represent the broader market or economy, but pretty extreme divergence even then. Minus 1194 on the advanced decline line today, as the Nasdaq was up. It rallied 250 points off the lows yesterday. It rallied 130 points or more off the lows overnight. You see the low 11,407, high 11,558. So about 150 point rally here. Let's look at the charts intraday. You talk about when markets make a top, they usually do it with a blow off top, a parabolic move, just an accelerated move higher. And this is what this market looks like to me. But keeping in mind that it can go much higher, and we're prepared to take those long trades as they happen. We're also nimble enough to get short. So looking at the market just this week, here is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So let's look at Monday. This week has just been a massive runaway market. Monday up, Tuesday up, Wednesday kind of flat, pullback rally to the close. Overnight, Fed minutes come in on Wednesday, boom, and then right down here we had, it was almost a 200-point sell-off in the Nasdaq, but less than 24 hours later, boom, right back to highs, right back to closing at those highs. Again, last night, it's trying to sell off, boom, nope, not allowed, right back up to highs. And so this market continues and continues and continues. Some of our strategies, night trader, I know the S&P got stopped out on this move down last night, but some of our other strategies are taking long NQ trades, QS3, some of the top trades. So, we just continue to trade the long side while being nimble enough to take shorts when they happen. So if this market rolls over, don't be surprised. Always be aware as a short-term trader what could change, and that's one of the things I'm looking at. Let's go over the trade so far on the day. It's Friday, August the 21st. So gap fill master hitting that profit target, small profit target early. Mirror did not quite hit its profit target today. The S&P is not making highs today like the Nasdaq does. Adaptive moving averages keeps calling the short side of this. Long on Wednesday, but then call a short yesterday. Didn't work out. Taking the short trade today. We have night trader stopped out last night right into the lows. Always discouraging to see that happen. 60-minute breakout. ES taking the long trade. Gap continuation in Q 2020 minus 325. So given some back on the longs. It's a little bit harder on the longs with the lack of follow through. But QS3 and SR countertrend to Nasdaq were some of the big trades. You see how SR countertrend did 2 days ago. Again today, plus $800 profit target. And then QS3, always one of our favorite strategies, capturing that open bid, rallied, and then 60-minute breakout long, minus 435 open position. All strategy access 3, Cobra Euro 4, minus 200, Asia Gold 4, minus 525. We have Grains Day Trader 3, minus 37.50 on the day, very narrow range there as always in soybeans lately. All strategy access 4. Cobra Crude short, working a short side on that, plus 110. Cobra Gold plus 575. Gold is just all over the map, hard to figure out where it's going, but Cobra Gold captured that short trade into the lows. SR countertrend 3 natural gas stopped out, minus 335. All strategy access 5, no trades. All strategy access 6, got that short overnight with 60-minute breakout. That was a nice trade to capture to balance the night trader loss. This has been in a losing streak, though. It hasn't worked out very well. It's been one of our worst performing strategies. What it does is it initiates a short trade, and if that short trade is wrong and it gets stopped out, then it reverses to the long side. So we've seen a lot of cases where we get short, reverse to long, and then that rolls over again. Get short, that was profitable. This one got short, reversed to the long, rolled over. So this has underperformed lately, but I like it because I anticipate more short side in the future, and we want to keep that balance of strategies in our portfolio. And those are the early trades on the day. Gap continuation 2019 is long. Got in a little bit better price than gap continuation 2020. This market rolls over much more. It'll be stopped out though. Down 120 on this trade. So sometimes you can get the first trade stopped out and then it'll take another trade in either gap continuation 2019 or 2020. So watch this market. Be sure to trade with discipline. If you're really enjoying buying the dips, be careful. Don't do that forever, because the market will eventually roll over and you'll give too much back if you don't know how to short this market. So be careful. Trade with your stops and be flexible enough to trade the long side as long as it happens, and then be ready to take the short trades when they happen.